In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Wix full-width slider using Wix Studio. This is perfect if you want a modern, professional-looking hero section that spans the entire width of the screen and instantly grabs attention. Full-width sliders are great for showcasing images, promotions, or key messages right at the top of your site. If you're building a business website, portfolio, or landing page in Wix Studio, this is something you'll definitely want to know. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials and website tips. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Wix Studio. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and launching the Wix Studio editor for the site you're working on. Once the editor loads, make sure you're on the page where you want the full-width slider to appear. This is usually the home page, but you can add it to any page you like. Give the editor a moment to fully load so everything is responsive and easy to work with. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the Wix Studio editor and click on Add Elements. This is where all of your building blocks live, including galleries, images, containers, and slideshows. Clicking Add Elements opens up a panel with a search bar at the top, which makes it much faster to find exactly what you need. In the search bar, type in Slideshow. As you type, Wix Studio will automatically filter the available elements. You should see a slideshow option appear in the results. Slideshow elements are ideal for creating sliders because they allow you to rotate through multiple images or sections automatically or manually. Now, click on Slideshow from the results. Wix will show you several slideshow styles and presets you can choose from. For creating a full-width slider, we want a layout that is clean and flexible. Look for the option called Highlight and click on it. This slideshow type works really well as a hero slider and is easy to stretch across the entire screen. Once you click Highlight, the slideshow will be added directly to your page. At this point, it may not yet be full width, and that's completely normal. Click on the slideshow element to select it. You'll see resize handles and layout options appear. Drag the edges of the slider until it spans the full width of your page. In Wix Studio, elements are responsive by default, so this will help your slider look good on different screen sizes. After resizing, check the layout settings. Make sure the slideshow is aligned to the center and set to stretch edge to edge. If your page has sections or containers, you may want to place the slideshow inside a full-width section to ensure it truly fills the entire screen width. Now you can customize your slider content. Click into the slideshow to manage the slides. From here, you can change images, add new slides, update text, and adjust overlay colors. Use high-quality images with similar dimensions so your slider looks smooth and professional. You can also adjust transition effects, autoplay speed, and navigation controls depending on the style you're going for. Once you're happy with how everything looks, preview your site using the preview button. Resize the browser window to see how the full-width slider behaves on different screen sizes. Make any final tweaks if needed, and then save your work. And that's it! You've successfully created a Wix full-width slider using Wix Studio. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step Wix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.